Hi, I'm Preetwant Singh, the Vice President of the World UAV Federation, Singapore chapter, and I'm very pleased to be here at the SADEX 2025. And I was here last year and I've seen it evolve to become much bigger with new technology and a lot of support from actually government agencies. I'm very happy to see that it has evolved and new technology has been shown here. We have learned a lot because I'm also part of the panel discussions. The panel discussions was very good and very comprehensive, bringing intellectuals, academics and industry leaders all together in difficult discussions, but it was very comprehensive and engaging. I would like to take this opportunity to thank SADEX, and I'm always looking forward to coming back here again in 2026, which I'm sure it's going to get much bigger with better support, and a million thanks to all the organizers for this awesome exhibition. Thank you for having me.